Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're unboxing another Basic Man package. So let's get in and let's get into the package. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're unboxing another Basic Man box. For those of you who don't know, Basic Man is a monthly subscription for men. They give them it's basically an undergarment subscription, which is $19.99 a month. They give them a new pair of socks, undies, and a t-shirt, and you can totally skip a month if you need. My husband rarely skips a month because he likes to get his new fresh pair of socks and t-shirts and undies. So this has been on, he's had this subscription for a couple months now. He loves it. So simple subscription. All right, so let's get into the package. It always comes like this. So no one knows what's in it, and there's nothing embarrassing about this one. It's super simple. All right, so this is the first item that we pull out. So like I said, these are socks, and you always get a new pair. So these are gray, and then it has like so it's basically, this is gray and this is like the darker gray, and then you see there it's outlined here, and then there is gray, teal, and white, but it's mainly a gray sock. So that's one item there. And then like I said, with every package you get a new pair of undies, and these are gray. These are always boxer briefs. Someone asked me on one of my last videos if it comes in boxers also. Not that I'm aware of. My husband always gets boxer briefs. I don't know if that's an option, but just letting you guys know, I believe it's just boxer briefs, just FYI. So these are gonna match the socks that you have there. So we're gonna take that out so you guys can see better what that looks like here. So again, it matches exactly those socks here. So that's the socks there, and then these are the lining, same lining. And then there you go. It is the teal, white, and dark gray, and then the boxer briefs are, and they have that little B there, and they're totally, this is like that super, the reason why I think my husband has kept this for such a long time is because the quality of the cotton is like that super soft quality of cotton, you know, the one that you want to just totally never take off. That's what that is. So that's probably why he's kept this one on for longer than any other subscription he's had. And then the t-shirt you have here, it always comes packaged in plastic, and this one is like a green t-shirt. It looks like a light dark green. I'm not too sure if you guys know the color of this one. I can't think of it right now. It's like a grass green, I guess you can say. So that's what that is here. And then it's just a plain old t-shirt. These are meant to put under your clothes. We live in Texas, so most of the time he uses this, you know, around outside, things like that. But this is like an under t-shirt. But again, you can totally wear this out if it's summer and it's hot outside in your area. So just regular old plain t-shirt. So let us do a recap and see what came this month. So again, we do have that green t-shirt here. So we'll keep that like that. And then we have the undies. Like I said, these are boxer briefs. And then we have the socks that match the undies. So super cool, super easy, super simple subscription. So if you like the subscription, or if you want more information, if you're looking at my blog, that information will be there. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, the information will be under the video, because I do know that they have a savings right now where you can save some money on your first subscription. So definitely check that out. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And of course, we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.